Hello, welcome to MaxMountainWorld. Welcome to Max Snowy Mountain World. Yeah, we've got a bit of a snowfall on the go. For the last 7 or 8 hours or so, maybe a bit more, I don't know, I was sleeping. It's been landing at the rate of about 5 centimetres, 2 inches every hour. And it's just carrying on and on and on. I've already de-neiged, cleared the snow from the critical areas, the reception behind here, the garage down below, but the garage down below just got out of hand. So what I did was I got one of the tractors that was clearing all the rest of the stuff just to give it a quick scoop. Reason why, I've got to go out in it in the car. So hopefully we're going to be okay. I've got to pick up a member of staff. Luckily not right down the bottom of the mountain, because apparently it says all the way down. I've got to just go down about 5 kilometres, but that's enough. So we'll see how it happens. I'll take the cam out with me and see how it goes. Okay, so just looking out the workshop, I've taken this away. I've basically visited it every hour, basically every 2 inches. A lot easier to clear it quickly, and that's ready for the car to go out. So just need to see, I'm going back in. It's still snowing very, very heavy here. Yeah, 5 centimetres every hour, 2 inches. Wow. Right, so stuff's moving around. I saw a van earlier, wasn't chained up, so should be okay. Well, there's a lot of snow and it's falling thick, but the car's handling it well. I went a quick tour around, you can probably see the marks there. And yeah, seems to be okay, feels good. The car, no problem at all. So I'm going to go down and see if I can find this person that's on their way up. I can't get an answer on the phone, which is a bit annoying. But let's see how we go here. So now we've got some thick fog. Just came through a really thick patch. Could hardly see 20-30 metres ahead. It's cleared a little bit, but yeah, it says 30 kph limit there. That's what I'm doing anyway. Yeah, so just gotta watch. It's more a case of watching what other people are doing and allowing for that, just in case someone else is losing control or something like that, you know. Apart from that, don't be scared to lose traction, to skid a bit, you know. Do a couple of things, and that way you're in the full knowledge of what the current conditions are. So out here, down at 1550, 1550 metres altitude, and flat light makes it very difficult to see just exactly how deep the snow is. But yeah, Jag's performing well. But need to see, there's no worries with this at all. But the thing is, another 2-3 inches, who knows. But still trying to make contact with this person, getting back in and get the fire on. Oh. Right. Heated seats. Wow. Just thought I'd check out the rest of the area. Check that out. Yay! They've been clearing. Wow. They're stopped for lunch just now. Tractors and all sorts everywhere, but trucks and things seem to be still getting up here, so yeah, I can't see a problem with what I'm doing here. Alright, back in the garage, and yeah, very surprised. Even found a couple of places that sort of linked through the side of a car park where the snow was a good 6 or 7 inches deep. It would have been just on the bottom of the car. no problem. I stopped, I got going again, no problem. Did that on a hill as well, just up behind here, a very steep little bit, no problem. Traction control is fantastic in this thing. So anyway, that's it. I still haven't found this person. Tried phoning and all this stuff, tried phoning HQ. No, I don't know what's going on, and I really don't want people to be stuck out in this weather. You know what I mean? So anyway, sussed out, yeah, the guys clearing the roads have had to stop for lunch, but they'll be back out in a little bit. So the roads, they'll be keeping them clear. So I now know what that car can do in these current conditions. Not every time, but in these current conditions today, I've had a good spin around, as it were, and that's it. So anyway, anything else happens, I'll quickly just now in the rollout show you around the car, and anything else that happens this afternoon. You never know. These are the mountains. Okay, thanks very much for watching. Keep subscribing, and until the next video, ciao. So yeah, collected a bit of snow up the front and the sides. I think it looks quite cute in that stuff. More along the side of the car, the roof, needless to say. But yeah. But she's handled it really well, and the sensors still work.